Cape Crystal Maltodextrin is a white powder made from corn. To make it, the starch is cooked, and then acids or enzymes are added to break it down further. The resulting white powder is water-soluble with a neutral taste. Maltodextrin is used as a thickener or filler to increase the volume of foods. It's also a preservative that increases the shelf life. It's inexpensive and easy to produce, so it's useful for thickening products such as instant pudding and gelatins, sauces, and salad dressings. It is also combined with sweeteners to sweeten canned fruits, desserts, and powdered drinks. Because maltodextrin is a fast-digesting carbohydrate, it's often added to sports drinks and snacks. For bodybuilders and other athletes, maltodextrin can be a good source of quick calories during or after a workout. Since maltodextrin doesn't use as much water to digest as some carbohydrates, it's a good way to get quick calories without Use Cape Crystal Maltodextrin to make your own sports drink. To 1 pound of maltodextrin add 2 pounds of sugar and 3 tablespoons of salt. Then add 68 grams of this energy powder to 1 liter of water. Some research shows that maltodextrin supplements can help maintain anaerobic power during exercise. Maltodextrin is also an important ingredient in beer-making recipes. It increases mouthfeel and helps to prolong the foamy head on beers. It is added to the hot wort, or beer starter, of malt extract and water. It supplements the maltose that is already in the mash. About 0.8 to 1.6 ounces is added to each gallon of the wort. It is then mixed in well to completely dissolve the maltodextrin into the beer wort before other ingredients are added such as hops. Cape Crystal brands maltodextrin. Thickener. Preservative. Flavor enhancer. Sweetener. High-quality ingredients for the traditional to modernist cook.